Welcome back to Mercury Reliance. As I've been talking to people the last little while, I've had some comments made that well, people are uncomfortable with the fact that they don't know things. That's okay. Nobody knows everything. It's all kind of like a grading scale. You learn a little bit each day. Stick with it, keep asking questions, try and learn the terminology as much as you can. Don't be embarrassed by it. Nobody knows everything, okay? So we're here to help explain things and try and make it simple for you. Today I want to talk about inflation, posted inflation rates. I've talked a little bit about it in the past, but it just means how much less or how much more your dollar will buy from year to year, quarter to quarter, what have you. So inflation rates right now in the US posted are 1.1%. Doesn't sound like much. Means you've only lost $1.10 in relation to what you saved from last year. Sounds okay. Considering the economic struggles we're in right now, it sounds pretty moderate. The reality is, though, it's far worse than you think. Sorry to be a bit of a doomer, but what you need to understand is that posted inflation rates no longer calculate real life. People like you and me who have, a mortgage and car payments, and we don't have millions of dollars in the bank account. Hopefully nobody has millions of dollars in a bank account. They've got them stored and saved in something else. So what I've got here is pulled off the BMG website, and what this outlines is the actual increase in prices of products from this year over last, in terms of how many dollars it takes to buy. The worst part about inflation, the numbers that are posted, do not include housing, fuel, or food. Now if you stop and think for a second, after tax dollars, there's 50% of your income gone. After tax dollars, your housing, your gas for your vehicle, and your food. What's left after that? That's discretionary income. It's what's considered discretionary income, or money you can spend on whatever. For you to invest, that's what they want you to do. So these things here aren't actually factored into inflation. So I want to tell you, the price of everything is going up. So it seems, if you watch one of the other videos, it means you need more dollars to buy these things. Wheat this year over last year up 74%. 74%. That means your food is going up because wheat's in pancakes, bread, all kind of cakes, pastries, you name it. Corn, 14% increase. Oats, think of your oatmeal. Oatmeal cookies, 68%. Canola, which is vegetable oil, up 36%. Heating oil, 29%. That means the cost of heating your house is going up. Gasoline, up 25%. Natural gas, 15%. Again, heating your home. Beef, 18%. There's food. Pork, more food, 60% increase. Coffee, 27% increase. Your cup of joe is going to cost more. Sugar, up 44%. 66% for cotton, 37% for copper, and gold and silver, 31% and 36% respectively. Their tiny little blob down at the bottom is what they tell you the inflation rates are. These big orange bars is what you actually have to spend more. You have to spend more this year versus last year. You don't even want to know about the last 3 years. It's even worse. So all I'm trying to do, guys, is just share with you some of the questions I've been getting lately, to help you understand what's going on in the markets and why you should not be investing in the stock market. Get out of the market. Scroll down to this chart here. Dow Jones down 23% over the last 3 years. S&P 500. Oh, by the way, Dow Jones is just an indicator of the top 30 companies on the New York Stock Exchange. I believe it's the top 30, but it's 30 companies. GM's no longer on it, by the way. S&P 500, that's 500 companies that are watched closely. Down 28% over the last 3 years. Russell 2000, I guess it's another 2,000 companies that are watched. 28% down. NASDAQ, it's down 20%. So over 3 years, we're down 24.8%. Anybody who had shares or stocks in that likely lost 24.8% in relation to their dollars. So I'm just trying to show you guys, putting your money in the stock market, bad plan. get some of this. And if you can't touch it, you don't own it. I'm not talking about certificates or ETS or any of those things that are paper-based or computer screen-based. If you can't hold it, you don't own it. So that's all I wanted to share with you today, guys. Inflation is an artificially manipulated posted number. The real numbers you'll find when you go to the gas station, the grocery store, and you get your bills. That's inflation. Get this stuff. Thanks for watching. Hope you learned something, and look forward to doing another one soon. Bye now.